Hello, my name is Wayne Alexander, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to create a mail merge template in CRM 2013. I'm going to be using the web version to show you how to do this, but I can confirm it's exactly the same process in the CRM 2013 Outlook client. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate over to the settings area of CRM, and from within the settings area I'm just going to go ahead and navigate over to templates. Now, within the template section, there's actually 4 different types of templates that you can create: article templates, contract templates, email templates, and mail merge templates. For this video though, we're going to do mail merge templates. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on mail merge templates, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on new to create a new mail merge template. The example I'm going to do today is I'm going to create a mail merge template for CRM training. So the first thing the system's going to ask you for is a name. Try to be as descriptive as possible. So I'm going to call this CRM 2013 End User Training. I could put in a short description of what this mail merge template is about, but what I tend to find is once you put in a descriptive name, it's not really essential to put in a description, but you can if you wish to do so. The associated entity, now this is very important. Once you select the associated entity, I'm going to choose contact and hit save. This field becomes read-only and cannot be changed, so it's very important that you make sure you have the correct associated entity. If you make a mistake, once you hit save, unfortunately you'll have to delete the template and start again. Ownership is set to individual by default. It can be changed to organization, and I'll show you how to do so. And the template language is English. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit save. Whilst I'm hitting save, if you pay attention to the toolbar here, because new functionalities will appear in this toolbar once you saved your mail merge template initial screen. Not only does extra functionality appear in the toolbar, but what you'll also find is that data field functionality would also appear too. So there you have the create template in Word button, but we also have the data fields button here. Now before I click on create template in Word, I just want to point out data fields, when I click on this button here, it basically, the system shows you all the fields from the associated entity, in our case contacts, that will be pulled into the Word document. So if I just scroll down here, you can see we've got things like city, country, street 1, street 2, street 3. These are the basic fields, but what you can actually do, you can also include additional fields. So if you've got any customized fields that you want to include, you could simply select data field and go ahead and select those. So I'm just going to throw in a few more fields here. Click OK. Now because I've added new data fields, I must click save again in order for the system to now allow me to pull those fields into my template. Now all I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and click on create template in Word. Oh, system's basically saying to me I haven't saved my changes yet. I was being a bit impatient there. I thought I did, so just going to go ahead and hit save. And once the system saved this, and I can go and create my template in Word. There you go, it's saved. So I can go ahead, click on create template in Word. Oops. System's saying I still haven't saved. There you go. I apologize for that. So now what the system's allowing me to do is to open up the Word template, and when I open up Word, what CRM's actually going to do is it's going to connect to Microsoft Word and pull my data fields from CRM into my Word document. Funny enough, what CRM does, it actually uses Word's mail merge functionality. So if you're used to using mail merge in Word, then then this will be really straightforward for you because it's just using Word's mail merge functionality. There you go. So it's opened up my Word document, and I'm just going to go ahead first of all and click on Enable Editing. And now what the system's doing, Word's contacting the CRM server, pulling in all that information. And what you're going to find, we'll be left with a blank Word document where we can then go ahead and do our mail merge. So I'm just going to click on Enable Content. So the system's basically saying to start the mail merge, you have to click on CRM. So what I'm going to actually do now is if I click on the Add-ins tab, there's my CRM button. So I'm going to go ahead and click on CRM, and now what the system will say is well, it's going to give me a list of all my mail merge recipients. Now, because we're creating this template from scratch, it's a template we're creating, there will be no mail merge recipients. So I'll just go ahead and click on OK. But now, importantly, we're ready to start our mail merge. So, as I said, I'm just going to put in here dear. As I said, the system uses Word's mail merge functionality, so I'm going to put in dear, and maybe I want the contact's name. So if I was to click on Insert Merge Fields, you'll notice it's given me a list of all of the CRM data fields that I selected. So I'm going to select dear full name. You have been selected to attend a CRM 2013 end user training session. I could add more information if required. The great thing about mail merge templates that I really like is you can still use Word's other Word functionality. So if I wanted to, I can insert tables, I can insert pictures, shapes. I could, if I wanted to, also insert an email signature. So if I wanted to make this an email mail merge template, I could actually finish off the document by adding my own email signature, but just literally by copying and pasting at the end. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my mailings tab. I'm going to say thank you, and I'm going to sign off with my name. And as a matter of fact, I'm not going to sign off with my name. I'm going to sign off with the user's first name and the user's last name. What does that mean? It means that whoever runs the mail merge, it would have their name at the bottom. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on File, Save As, and I'm going to go ahead and save that in my case statistics folder. I'm going to call this training mail merge template. Always save the mail merge template as an XML document, because this is the format the CRM likes for the document to be uploaded back into CRM. I could save it as Word 2003 XML document, or I could just save it as Word XML document. I'm going to leave it on Word 2003 XML document and hit save. So what did we do there? We created our Word template by pulling the data fields in, and we saved that template. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just close my Word document, which takes us back to our original screen. Last thing we need to do now is upload the document we just created. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Browse. I'm then going to navigate to where I've actually added that that document. So let me just go in there, and there's my document that I just created. I'm going to go ahead and hit attach. And what you'll find now is that we've just uploaded the document, the mail merge document, into our mail merge template. Now, once that's actually been attached, last thing I'm going to do is show you how to change the ownership from individual to organization. So I'll just wait for that to go through. Takes a little while to upload the document. There you can see the document has now been uploaded. So last thing I can do is click on actions and click make available to organization. So in other words, make it available for everyone else in all other users in the system to use this. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and that's now been made available to the organization. So there I just showed you quickly how to create a mail merge template by creating the actual template, creating a mail merge template format, I should say, creating a template in Word and then re-uploading it back into CRM. Thank you.